Good morning, SOS. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and accepting your free video. So today I'm going to walk you through 3 things you can start applying right away, and it's going to make a huge difference to your business. And I know this because we've applied these same strategies to over 50 other restoration companies throughout the United States, and it has made a tremendous difference in their business. And I'm not just talking about a couple extra jobs. I'm talking about substantial differences, reaching goals they didn't even know possible. So I'm super excited to be able to share this with you today. So we're going to go over 3 things. We're going to talk about content, citations, and backlinks, okay? So here we are on your website. I am happy to see that you have separate pages for each of your major services, which is awesome. You absolutely have to have those. And I'm really excited to see that you have click-to-call phone numbers, which is super important. I would love to see you take it one step further and have a form here, because that makes it super easy for your customers to contact you. You want to make it as easy as possible. Okay, so when it comes to ranking on Google, Google does not rank based on appearance. It is based on content, and content is key. So you need a lot of content, and content can be images and videos, and when you use them, you want to make sure that you're optimizing this. So this just says Team Photo 1. So that's not an optimized photo. You want to be using images, but you need to save them as local keywords. So those are going to be things like Las Vegas water damage restoration, Las Vegas. Make sure that every single image is saved with those local keywords. And then you also need written content. So this is all you really have for written content. So this is not enough. Also, it disappears when you hover over that. So when it comes to content, content is key. You need a lot of it, especially the written content, because Google sends crawlers, which are like little mini robots, and it scans your website. It goes through all of this content to try and learn about what your business is, what type of services you offer, and where you offer those services. And so when your website doesn't have that content on here, how can they know what type of customers to send your way, right? So it's really, really important that you have the right written content. Because when your customers are searching, 99% of the time, they haven't worked with you before, so they don't know who you are. They're going to be searching for each of these services, okay? And they're going to be searching locally. So you need to use those local keywords that we just talked about, like mold removal, Las Vegas, water damage restoration, Las Vegas. You need to focus your written content around those local keywords. This homepage here is the most important page of your entire website because it ties all of these pages together. So it needs to have at least 1,500 words of written content focused around those keywords. So that way Google can better understand who you are and can index you for those keywords so that you can rank and they can send customers to your website. So it is really, really important that you focus on your content and keyword strategy, that you have at least 1,500 words or more on your homepage. And if your competition has more than 1,500 words, you need more than they have. So if they have 1,500, you want to focus at 1,800, 2,000 words on your homepage. And make sure that all of your service pages also has good written content focused around those keywords as well. And if you're servicing outside of Las Vegas, you should probably consider service area pages. Again, building more page content for each of the areas you service so that you can be found in every area you service for these services. This is going to be really, really critical for you to start driving more customers to your website and to get more jobs organically every single month. Now, when we talk about content, it's not just the content on your website, but it's also the content that you're putting out on the internet. So that's content on your social media pages, Google Business Profile. All of those need to be optimized because every one tells Google who you are and what you do. So now, as we know, customers are going to do a search like this in Google, and you want your business to show up when they do those searches. And there's three main areas to focus on. And the first is going to be ads. These are going to be your cost per click ads as well as local service ads. And this can be a really great place and very lucrative for you as long as you have everything set up properly. You're not just sending your customers to your web page, but you have specific landing pages, everything dialed in. And if you do, this can be really beneficial. But if not, this could be a money pit for you guys, and you should really focus on the other areas first, okay? So one of the most important areas to focus on here is this Google Map Pack, your Google My Business Profile. You need to make sure that your business is in one of these top 3 slots in your service area for each of your services, because nearly 30% of people come straight here and won't go anywhere else. So if you're not one of these top 3 businesses, you are quite literally sending all of those jobs to your competition. You're leaving tons of money on the table. So now, in order to get into these top 3 positions, there are several factors when it comes to ranking. But the number one factor is something called citations. And that is simply listing the name of your business, your address, your phone number, and your website, and listing those in a bunch of directories. Directories are things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Glassdoor, the Better Business Bureau. And then citations also include your social media pages. So having a lot more of those citations than your competition, we always have to do better than they're doing, okay? But every single one of those citations sends different signals to Google that is telling them who your business is, what you do, and the customers you serve. So it's really important that you have those, okay? Now this third section is the most important section, and this is called your organic section, okay? Nearly 60 to 70% of people, they'll skip the ads, they'll skip these maps over here, and they jump right down here to the organics. So when your business does not show up here for your services or any of the areas you serve, you're losing out again on an additional 60 to 70% of your jobs every single month. So in order to get here, it all comes down to the foundation of your website. Okay? Having the proper pages, the proper written content, optimizing these images are all going to help you. So let's look at what your top competitor is doing for water damage in Las Vegas. And they are ServPro. And yes, they are a franchise, but you're not competing against the entire franchise. You're only competing against the local franchisees, and you actually have an advantage because franchisees are not allowed most of the time to optimize these pages, to go after their own keyword strategy. They get what they're given and they have their hands tied. So you actually have an advantage. They are very beatable, but you just have to do better than they're doing. So you have to have more content. You have to dial that content in around those keyword strategies. So that's more content on your homepage, your service pages, having those service area pages, writing blogs. All of those things are going to help you to not only get indexed and ranked, but to be able to start outranking ServPro and your other competition. And then with that content, you want to support it with backlink SEO. So that is going to bring us to our backlinks here. This is a program called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool we use to tell us how your website is performing. So if we look here, your DR, that's your domain rating, is your website as a whole, is a rating of a 0.6 out of 100, which means Google does not trust your website. And that is partly because of the quality of content on your website. They don't understand who you are or what you're about yet, but more so the power you're sending to your website. Like everything else we use, it doesn't work without power. So websites get power from backlinks. Now, backlinks are really, really important. You have to have more than your competition, but it is important to understand that not all backlinks are the same. They're not equal. So you want to go after good quality backlinks that are do follows and that are most related to your industry and the services you offer. So having other websites linked to you that are other home service businesses and vendors are going to help you. But you wouldn't want a link from Pizza Hut, even though they're a really good website, high authority. You wouldn't want that because you don't sell pizza. So it'd actually be a spam type of link for you guys. So you have to get the good quality links. And you got to have them coming in every month, supplying that power every month. And the better quality those links, the higher your score is going to get. That means the more Google's going to trust you. And it's going to help you to rank for your keywords and then help you get your website promoted so people can actually find you online, okay? Now, because your website doesn't have much actual content, you've only been indexed for 8 keywords and you're only getting about 3 people on average to your website every single month. So you're missing out on a ton of jobs every single month by not having these strategies in place. If we look at your keywords, the only keyword you are on the first page for is your brand. And as I said, unfortunately, your brand is not where most of your customers are. So you have to focus on those local keywords so that you can get them indexed here and get them ranking. So you can drive that traffic to your website and convert them into customers. If we look at ServPro, their whole franchise is a 77 out of 100. You're competing against this location, which only is a 3.2, and they're not really doing anything to help this page because their hands are tied. There's not much they can do anyways. But despite their low score, because their website has so much power and so much trust, Google is pushing the power to this location, which has allowed them to be indexed for more keywords, and they're getting over 200 people every single month to their website. And if you look at their keywords, these are all those local keywords that we talked about, and they're in the top positions on the first page. So they're getting the bulk of the traffic. And if we went one step further here real quick and actually looked at the keywords just for Las Vegas, because keep in mind people search differently. There's multiple variations of keywords. So just these 5 keywords about water damage in Las Vegas. There's over 600 potential searches every single month that if you optimize for could make a huge difference for you guys, okay? So now when you follow the strategies that I've shown you today, your website has huge potential to be able to dominate in your area. Please feel free to take this information, run with it, and apply it yourself. But if you'd like a partner and help getting you there so you can focus on what you do best, at Peterson SEO, this is our specialty, and we specialize in working with restoration companies just like you guys. So feel free to respond to our email, give us a call, and we'd be happy to chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.